As you all know, the world's on lockdown right now, and I've been spending a lot of my time watching YouTube video after YouTube video after YouTube video. But I got a really good idea, because my brain is very smart. Why don't I waste my life away making a new devlog video, because I know you all enjoy them so much. These textures are absolutely awful. Let's get them out the way really quick. It's actually starting like a game, like a good game actually, not one made by a toddler with them. We had some crowns and scribbled around, but, you know. But we always run into problems when you program, and the skeletons animations, well, they had a bit of bugs, so here's a sped up video of me trying to fix them. Didn't take half an hour to do a 10-minute animation. Imagine. Well then, I hope you enjoyed and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.